Good morning. It's Davita. Hello. Welcome to Abstract and Flow. I hope to do a beautiful pour for you today. But before we get started, let me show you this. This is my first waterfall pearl creation. This dried so pretty. I posted it on my Instagram page, and within 2 days it sold. So Gail, you will be getting this soon. I'll be in contact with you. Let's put it away so it doesn't get messed up. So, I thought, because I just love the way that turned out, let's do something a little similar. Let's do it again with a different color. So I went a little darker. I am using, it's like a mauve, dark brownish kind of color. Let me show you. So today we're working with, I guess some glasses would help. Oh, here they are. Glasses. Okay, so this is Rust-Oleum Metallic Accents. This is their black garnet. Garnet is my birthstone color, so when I saw that, I said, oh yeah, let's try it. So here it is. Isn't that pretty? That's a pretty color. Okay, so we'll be using a little of this, and we'll be using you would think I'm not even prepared to paint. I don't even have stuff at arm's reach. Payne's Gray and a really light grayish color. The Payne's Gray is Liquitex, and this is Artist Loft white and a little black. Got my little doohickey here for my waterfall. And of course, the star of the show, the base, with a little bit of Satin Enamels. Let's get some gloves, and we are going to get this pour started. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, got my gloves. Camera is rolling. And I'm going to start by adding the base. That's right, we're adding the base. I've already painted my sides. And here we are with our little bottle bottom. And I'm going to, let's see. Place it right there. And we're going to start with the Payne's Gray. There we go. Okay, we're in focus still. And I'm going to let that cascade all the way down. Before I add the next color. Which is going to be our black garnet. And I really think this is going to be a really pretty combination. And when that gets halfway, midway down, I'm going to add the gray. Okay, here comes the gray. And I retained a little of the Payne's Gray. And now we're going to do the remainder of the black garnet. I'm going to remove my little bottle bottom. And I'm going to torch it. Well, let's see. I think I'm going to move it around some. Let's see if we can get some action going. I want to move that garnet down to the center a little more. Open it up at the bottom a little more. Let that cascade off the side. Let's stretch that garnet at the top. Okay. Now we're going to torch. Okay. I think I'm done. I didn't expect the metallic to pearl up as much as it did, but of course it did on the edges because that's where it was thinnest. I would have liked to have a lot more going on here, but I am happy how it turned out. Okay, we're going to try to bring you in for a close-up. All right. Look at this little edge down here. And we're going to come straight up the middle. And we got some pretty pearls right on that edge. Ta-da! I really love the way this turned out. I love that garnet that black garnet and the gray and the Payne's gray. Okay, we have a winner chicken dinner right there. You saw it. You saw it, right? Yeah. I'm rather liking the minimal pearls with, you know, a bold kind of statement. But I'm liking this. Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Hope you're digging. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Stay safe. See you next pour. See you next pour. See you next pour. Bye.